Hello guys, welcome back to another one of my episodes, and today you can see, look at that. Hold on guys, sorry, but this is like really high. That pile over there is maybe almost my height, I consider, but as you can see there's cards full of stuff there and stuff, but literally that's filled, that's all filled. Everything here is filled. This is just like the blizzard of 2014. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it was a huge blizzard. It was like maybe like 14 feet. I mean, no, not 14 feet, 14 inches. Yeah, no parking, but this is really bad weather, I have to say. I mean, look, everything is covered in snow here. That's just my car right there, so behind me. Everything is so nobody's gonna want to come out. Everybody just ordering from places and stuff like that. And you can see, look at my shoes. Yeah, but I mean, this is a really bad blizzard. Oh, look at that place. Everything is covered in snow in Chicago. This is like the second blizzard I was born. And I was born in 2009. So, I was 5 years old. I was 5 years old. My bad for whispering, my bad. I was 5 years old. Hold on a minute. Hold on. See, that's a really bad blizzard, but I was just telling my dad not to disrupt my video, but there's my dad. Say hi.
Hey, how you doing?
He's smoking, but who cares? Well, this is such a really bad storm. I can hardly walk in this crap. Oh my gosh. See? I could try to walk, but look, see? It's really bad to walk, but if you're out here in this blizzard, I want to tell you something. If you're out in this blizzard, be careful out here. You could die because accidents happen. Well, this will be the end of my video for today. Goodbye, guys.